Here are 4 signs to look out for to know if your spirit guides are trying to communicate with you. 1, numbers. If you're thinking about something, you're considering something, you're unsure, next thing you know, you look at the clock and it's 11:11, 2:22, 5:55, you see some patterns, that's a sign. Second is animals. You're thinking about something and all of a sudden an animal flies by, an eagle or a dog or something unexpected. Animals can be a sign from your spirit guides. Third can be music. It's like you're thinking about something, then you hear a song, and that song has a message. For some reason, you just so need to hear and resonates with you right now. And the 4th sign is anything external. Let's say you're trying to do something. You're like, okay, I'm gonna go here. Next thing you know, glass breaks, or you stub your toe, or somebody comes up and they have issues that they're bringing up to you. And all of a sudden, you open the Pandora's box of negativity. That means it's a sign for you to not do it. And the opposite is also true. So those are the 4 signs that I typically look for. And if one of them happens, I know spirit guides are trying to communicate with me.